This question asks, use the calculator to find the solutions of this cubic equation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and graph this on the graphing calculator. So first thing, we're going to go to the y equals button to enter it in. Now I've already entered it in. I'm just going to graph it on a standard 10 by 10 screen. So I went to zoom and I'm going to go to option number 6, Z standard. And there's what it looks like. Okay, that's all I need. I first of all know all the solutions are here because there's 3 solutions. And since this is cubic, I know that all 3 solutions are accounted for. So what I want to do is have the calculator find each solution, and then we're going to round it to 2 decimal places. So I'm going to start by finding this one right here. So to do that, we're going to go to second calc, which is above the trace button. Option number 2, 0, is going to find the zeros, which happen to also be the solutions to this equation. Okay, so left bound. Now, first of all, I'm going to find my cursor because I don't really know where it is. Okay. Oh, okay. I see that I'm just now getting to where x equals 0. There it went. All right. Left bound. Perfect. So that is to the left of the 0 I want to find. Now for right bound, I'm going to go above it to the right. For guess, they just want you to get close to make sure that they know which one you're wanting. So I'm just going to go ahead and bounce back so that I'm a little bit close. I'm going to hit enter. And there it is. There's the first 0, which also happens to be the solution. So the first solution is negative 1.65 if I'm rounded to 2 decimal places. Okay. So I'm going to repeat that. I do see that it almost looks like it hits once. So I'd like to zoom in and kind of get an idea of what's going on there. I'm going to go ahead and adjust the window. Since it's in the first quadrant, I'm going to go ahead and just limit my x's from 0 to 5. And I'm just going to limit my y's from, let's do negative 2.5 to 2.5. I just want to kind of get close to see if it's only hitting once or if it's hitting twice. Oh, okay. So it is hitting twice. And for that reason, I want to actually zoom in pretty darn close because when I do the left bound, right bound, I want to make sure that it knows which point I'm interested in. So I'm going to hit the window again. This time I'm going to go from, let's say, 2 to 5. Let's just see what that gets us from 2 to 5. All right, and let's zoom in one more time. This time I'll cut in the y value. So we'll go from negative 1 to 1. Trying to really get close. Okay, now let's see. Let's go to second calc. We're going to find the zeros. All right, so left bound, that's fine. I'll go ahead and find this point here. So I'm to the left of that point. Now right bound. Oh, good. I zoomed in close enough. I can get to the right of that point. So I'm going to hit enter. And now I want to get close to it so it knows which one I'm referring to. And there's the next point. So 3.65 rounded to the second decimal place. All right, now let's do the last point. So second calc again, 0. This time, left bound. Okay, that's to the left of that point. That's fine. To the right, I'm going to go ahead and move over here. And now I want to get relatively close. And there it is at 4. And that is the 3 solutions to the graph.